How secure is your Bitcoin truly when up against the burgeoning quantum computing technology? In the vast expanse of the digital universe, Bitcoin has risen as an emblem of financial autonomy. This groundbreaking cryptocurrency, born amidst the chaotic upheaval of the 2008 financial disaster, deeply hinges upon cryptographic security protocols. These safeguards form the very foundation of Bitcoin's credibility and worth, protecting it from malevolent assaults and dishonest practices. But just like any stronghold, Bitcoin too has a possible chink in its armor. For Bitcoin, this vulnerability might just be quantum computing. This swiftly advancing area of technology has the potential to untangle the cryptographic threads that fortify Bitcoin's security. Picture a world where the treasure trove of Bitcoin is left exposed, its once robust security measures now antiquated in the face of the quantum computing behemoth. But what is this quantum computing? It is not merely a potential menace, but could be a ticking time bomb set to upheave the Bitcoin universe. Quantum computing, with its superior computational power, could break the cryptographic codes in a fraction of the time that the best classical computers take. This could potentially expose the private keys that secure Bitcoins, making them vulnerable to theft and undermining the very essence of security that is at the core of Bitcoin's appeal. So, you might now be curious, what exactly is this quantum computing that poses such a significant threat to Bitcoin? Quantum computing, a term that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, isn't it? But it's very real and very powerful. Let's break it down. Traditional computers use bits, ones and zeros, to process information. They're like the switches that turn on and off to create different combinations of data. Now, imagine if those switches could be both on and off at the same time, processing multiple combinations simultaneously. That's quantum computing. It uses what we call quantum bits or qubits, which, thanks to the magic of quantum mechanics, can exist in multiple states at once. It's like having a superpowered computer that can solve complex problems in the blink of an eye, problems that would take traditional computers centuries to crack. So, we're talking about a dramatic leap in computing power, a leap that could potentially reshape the world of technology. Now that we've got a grip on what quantum computing is, let's delve into how it could potentially break Bitcoin's security. Bitcoin's security, the bedrock of its value, could potentially crumble under the power of quantum computing. Now, why is that? Well, Bitcoin's security is based on cryptographic techniques that are incredibly difficult for traditional computers to crack. But quantum computers, they play by different rules. Quantum computers leverage the principles of quantum mechanics to process information. This unique advantage allows them to solve complex mathematical problems at a speed unachievable by traditional computers. Now let's tie this back to Bitcoin. Bitcoin transactions are protected by a cryptographic puzzle, a puzzle that could be solved far more quickly by a quantum computer than any supercomputer we have today. This speed threatens to break the cryptographic security that Bitcoin relies on. If quantum computers could solve these puzzles faster than new ones can be created, they could potentially decrypt transactions, undermining Bitcoin's security. The question then becomes, is there a way for Bitcoin to defend itself against this quantum menace? So, is the future of Bitcoin doomed in the quantum age? Well, not necessarily. While it's true that quantum computers could potentially crack Bitcoin's cryptographic security, it's important to realize that this is not an imminent threat. Current research and development in the field of quantum-resistant cryptography are promising. Scientists and experts are working tirelessly to devise new cryptographic systems that could withstand quantum attacks. Some of these solutions include hash-based cryptography, lattice-based cryptography, and multivariate polynomial cryptography, all of which are believed to be resistant to quantum computation. While it's crucial to acknowledge the potential threat posed by quantum computing, it's equally essential to recognize the ongoing efforts to address these challenges. The crypto community isn't sitting idly by, waiting for Bitcoin's doom. It's actively seeking solutions. While the quantum era might seem like a threat to Bitcoin, it's important to remember that technology is a double-edged sword. As much as it can pose challenges, it can also offer solutions.